Hello, it's Lofi and Friends, and my name is CJ Chloe, and my friends Emily and Ava. Shout out to them. They're coming over later, so I'm definitely going to videotape that. But if their mom says they could be on YouTube, because you should always ask people if they want to be on YouTube. Okay, so. Me and Sophie got a little surprise for the girls. We're going to see. So we put up all these Barbies so when they walk in, they'll see them. And then we made a little place that they could play in. Like a little kid's rock climbing wall through the mailbox, and then an adult one. Oh, and also, yesterday we went to a jumping world that has a claw machine, and I won this little Bob in the claw machine. Bob. My name is Bob, but he didn't come with his teddy bear, so yeah. And I'm going to my grandma's, and we have our hot towels right here, all four of them. This one and that one are mine. If you didn't see the videos, go check it out. Yesterday I made some slime, and I made up this thing called Crafty Catacorn, and so I did that every single week. So go check it out if you haven't seen it. And I make a lot of crafts. Dad, what the heck? And here's my slime. We have Patrick in here. It's cold. It's cold slime. And sorry if you can't hear me. We got like a popsicle stick. Like that's it. And we got Patrick in here. He's buried in slime. Patrick! I went to Speedy's the other day and I got him. And and I have a Slinky. I just saw it and I don't play with it. So we got a Slinky the other day. Oh, and we got this the other day. It's one of those guys that you put on windows and it goes beep boop boop boop. And fidget spinner. Dropped it. Anyways, I love the slime. And Sophie, do you want to show them your slime? I thought it was in the bathroom.
No, it's in here.
Well, can you show them? Show it to them? Please. They didn't get to see your slime, remember?
What?
Sophie looks so pretty right now. Look at her. Did she blow dry your hair? She brushed my hair, but I don't look as good as Sophie. Sophie, can we see your slime? Sophie's slime is better than mine. It's harder. It's kind of like clay. And so, please. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, that's my slime, and then I got this thing, and then I put my slime in here, and so. Anyways, we're going to give a little surprise to Emily and Ava again because we're going to be hiding in the pillows. Like, actually, we're going to be hiding in the sewers. If you didn't, the sewers are the pillows. And we made a video about it. If you didn't, go check it out. It's really awesome. It says it's called In the Sewers, literally. And please look at her, like how cute. She's like almost the size of me. Okay, let's get that slime. This one's Yeah, she got that.
Cool. Haha.
And then she has this one. And then this is her slime. It doesn't really like form. It's like really